Welcome to the Cyber Intelligence with me, Raj. We are discussing and we are present here with the new content. If you want to stay updated with the news, if you want to stay updated with the cyber world, if you want to learn about the new concept and clear your concept, if you want the guidance on the interview, if you want to see what the professionals do for become the professional, if you want to podcast, so please subscribe our channel Cyber Intelligence. Today me, Prajakta, are present in front of you to explain about the IP address. I know everyone thinks it's a boring topic, it's a to be basic. But you know what happened most of the times in our exams, in the interview, we are basically forget the some basics. We don't know. Means we are uh, we are facing the difficulty to remember this. So these 5 minutes will clear your all concept and revision also. So today we are seeing IPv4, IPv6, private and public, static and dynamic, and the classes. Let's start. IP address. The IP address stands for the Internet Protocol Address. IP is a set of requirements for addressing and routing data on the Internet. IP address is a logical address. Assigned to computer, it is a set of rules and it will be a string of numbers in a certain format. It is separated by dot. What do you think? Who is the provide IP address? Yeah, Internet Service Provider. Let's move. IPv4. The length is 32-bit. Octa is 4 into 8 means 32. The range means the limit is 4.3 billion addresses only. And the example is front of you. Next, IPv6 is a updated version of the IPv4. Before we are using IPv4, but actually what happened? The devices are more than the limit than the population because one single person are using the 2 3 device. That's why we are need many IP addresses. So the IPv6 are present and the limit is for 340 trillion addresses. The length is 128 bytes and the octa is 8 into 16 means 128. And we see the example is in your example is in front of you. Let's move. Public and private. There are two types, public and private. What is public IP? Mostly, public IP is used for connecting with the internet, and the private IP is connected with the internal network, means your office and all like that. Let's move. Static and dynamic IP. Static IP means never change. It's never change, and the dynamic IP means periodically change. Let's move. Now, it's final is classes. First, we see about the public class. IP addresses areas started from 0 to 255. The limit is 255. So, public there have the 5 classes. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D and Class E. So, Class A 1 to 126 and Class B 128 to 191. Class C 192 to 223 and Class D 224 to 239. Class E 240 to 230 254. Next, I know you have question. Classes A, B, C are used for the regional purpose and class D and E are used for the research purpose. So it's your answer. There is 0. 0 is the default address. 127 is the loopback address. And 255 is broadcast IP. I know you are thinking what is the loopback address. Loopback address means generally are checking the machine are live or die. For that purpose, the 127 port number is used. Next, private class. Private class is just the 3 class, class A, class B and class C. So 10.0.0 to 10.255.255. Then come to the class B. 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. Class C 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. That's it. Thank you everyone. If you have any queries, so mention on the comment box. I will solve. Or if you want a much deeper video on the IP address on the private, public, classes, static, dynamic, IP4, IPv6, and MAC address, and so many concepts. So please mention. I will here to solve your doubts. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe our channel Cyber Intelligence.